High up in a tall green tree lived a little bird named Chirpy and his loving mama.
Every single day, Mama Bird flew far and wide gathering tasty food for her little Chirpy. One sunny day, Chirpy looked up at the sky and saw other birds flying freely. Chirpy felt very proud.
I'm big now. I can fly all by myself.
Mama Bird smiled gently and gave Chirpy some advice.
Flying is easy, my dear, but the world is big. Be careful.
But Chirpy was too excited to wait, and before Mama could stop him, he jumped. At first, flying felt wonderful. Chirpy explored flowers, rivers, and butterflies. But soon, the sky began to change. Dark clouds rolled in, and the wind started blowing stronger. Chirpy became tired and suddenly realized something scary. He didn't know the way home. But Mama Bird had noticed Chirpy was gone. She flew everywhere searching for her little bird.
Chirpy!
Then suddenly, Mama Bird saw him. She flew to Chirpy and wrapped him in a warm hug.
I'm sorry, Mom. I didn't know the world was so big.
Chirpy finally understood how much his mother cared. Chirpy learned something very important that day. A mother's love is always there to protect you.